Alright everybody, welcome to Air Science. Let's talk about what we're doing here. My initial plan was to tape this whole entire thing and have, like we have with other labs, have you guys write down the numbers as I roll them. But it quickly became apparent that I couldn't do the camera and that at the same time. It was a bit of a mess. And also, I think it's going to be better, nothing back here rolling die over and over again, look at all these numbers. I think it's going to be better if I do a lot of trials versus just one trial. But I still want you to see how this all works. Now you watched the intro video already, or you should have, or you shouldn't be here. So what we're doing is rolling all of these die over and over and over again. Now I'm part of the way through one right here, so you can see all those have already decayed in our definition of decayed here. So the idea is we put them all into a beaker, roll them through a dice tower, and now pick out all of the ones and put those in the next decayed beaker. Alright, so we would say in this trial that many decayed, and all of these go on to the next one. Put that there, roll it again, 4 pieces, and do it again, do it again, do it again, do it again. Sorry, more 4 pieces. That's what happens when you try to do it with one hand. Alright, there we go. So, the ones are going to go to this cup. Now, if you know little statistics, you should maybe think that, yes, 1/6 of them should go every time, but look at how variable all these numbers have been. They're all over the place. Now, I'm going to do all the math here and get you guys an average. But that looks like we're good for now. Only 3 went on that trial. Alright, we'll do one more on camera, then we'll go back to the lab. One. Okay, that's the premise. And I started with 100 die, and you can see, and this again should be something that maybe is obvious, more decay towards the beginning. And as we go and as we go and as we go, that number gets to be less and less and less and less. Okay? So, the one big question, I guess we'll do one more. Is going to be, how is this different with 6-sided die? What's going to be different when we do the next trial? Which will come over here. Here's 100 20-sided die, D20. What's going to be different when we do that? It's unlikely that I'm going to do that many trials. Maybe we'll see what a couple look like and go from there. But there is a very key difference, and that key difference applies to the idea in this lab with radioactive decay. It applies to the idea that some isotopes have a shorter half-life, 5.7 times 10 to the third, that's 5,700. Some isotopes have a much larger half-life. How is that similar to the D6 decaying versus the D20 decaying? Your job to figure it out. Thanks for tuning in. Good luck on the next part.